Hi, my name is Whitney Easterberg, and this is my Module 7 for Educational Leadership, the Human Resource Frame of Leadership. I feel like with our school, as the principal, the saying goes, it takes a village to raise a child. And I feel like there are so many different pieces that go into that. That is so true in our community, and I think other probably school communities as well, because it's not just one person impacting these students. It's everyone they come in contact with throughout their day. And I think Bullman and Deal said it best when they said the human resource frame looks at an organization as a family. We all come together to meet the needs of our students. And in their words, they said a family made up of individuals that have individual needs and skills and relationships between each other is the human resource frame of an organization. The organization and the human resource frame, the focus is put on skills, attitudes, teamwork, and communications. Our big thing in education lately has been the relationships, working on building those relationships to get our students engaged, get our students to succeed in a higher way. So my hierarchical structure, I put myself at the top. I feel like I'm kind of the starting point. Um, Obviously, our students are put in the middle. As the administrator, I'm talking to everyone involved. Um, and then I put our teachers, paras, coaches, specialists next, because without them, we wouldn't even have a school. They play the main role in helping each of our students. Um, our main concern is the students. So putting them in the middle, I felt like was the best because each of us plays a different role in their lives. And then I put office staff, nurse, custodians, cooks, maintenance personnel. All of those people are kind of the backbone of our school. Um, and I feel like our students see them as positive influences also throughout the hallways, throughout the lunchroom, when they visit the office, seeing those people and familiarizing themselves with them um, can put a smile on your face every day. Um, and then I put our community members and alumni and parents and family, not necessarily at the bottom, but kind of based off of our daily schedules. The community members especially kind of play more of a low-key role in our students' lives. They're not there every day to see our successes and our weaknesses. Um, and so they play a huge role in our school district, but not as big of a one as our teachers and our custodians and our parents. Our parents are our direct link into our students' lives. Um, Connecting with them and building relationships with them is going to help us meet the needs of all of our students um, through a multiple variety of ways. Um, and we're in constant contact with those parents and families every day, whether it's through calling them to tell them good things or bad things, just visiting with them. But if we build the relationships with our parents and our families, we are going to engage our students a little more.